back to my channel. Then if you are new to my channel, then please welcome. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look I am wearing. This is a peachy matte look, basically a peachy matte eye look paired with a bright orange lip, and I think this just adds such summer vibes, such happy vibes to the summer season. So I really like this sort of look, guys. It just makes me so happy during the summer. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please continue watching. I have already done my base, guys, with the L'Oreal Matte Magique foundation in the shade G3 Golden Vanilla and blend it with the Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. I have mixed a face oil with this foundation, guys, because the foundation is really matte and mixing oil with this foundation will give you a dewy look. I have already done my eyebrows, guys. My eyebrows are done in the general way I generally do. And for concealing my eyes, I am using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade 130 Medium. I am putting it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, on my forehead, and I will be blending it with the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. You can see this is just highlighting my face and giving you a lift to your face. Now, in order to set my face, guys, I am using one of my favorite compacts. This is the NYKAA Skingenius compact in the shade 03 Warm Honey. This is very finely milled and it just dissolves into your skin. I am just setting my overall face. You need to set your face during the summer season. For the eyes, guys, I am using the e.l.f. Matte for Matte 2 palette in the shade Summer Breeze. I got it from an Insta store. It is mainly found in abroad. I will just put the links below. I am taking this light peachy shade and I will be putting it on my crease as a transition color. Now taking this flesh tone shade, I will be again mixing this with my transition color. Now I'm taking this dark brown shade, guys. I'm taking a much fluffier brush, a small fluffier brush, which I think is the ZOEVA 224 Luxe Define Crease brush, and I am putting it in the outer V of my eyes. Now I am taking the ZOEVA 222 LUXE Soft Definer Crease brush and I am just blending these colors. This is a clean brush, guys. It will help you to blend everything. Now you can take any flat shader brush you have. I am using ZOEVA 234 Luxe Smoky Shader brush and I am taking this pink color. It's a peachy tone pink and I am putting it on my lids. This will just define your lids. Now I'm just mixing this plum tone shade with this pink again and I will again put it on my lids. Now taking this bone color, I will again put on the other two colors we put on our lids. Now for the lower lash line, guys, I am using this light peach color and will be putting it on the outer 2/3 of the eyes, in the lower lash line actually. I'm using a pencil brush for this, guys. I'll be again taking this brown shade. No, I'm just taking this peach shade. And I will again put it in the outer 2/3 of my lower lash line. Now using this same pencil brush, I'll be taking this dark brown shade from this palette, guys, and I will put it in the outer 1/3 of the lower lash line. Taking this black again, I will put in the outermost corner of the lower lash line. This is more of an ashy tone black. This will give you a smoky look. Now I'm taking this L'Oreal Silkissimme eyeliner in the shade 200 Black Noir, and I will use it to tightline my upper and lower waterline. You can see this is a hard task. My eyes are watering. Now taking this black shade again with a pencil brush, I will be just smudging out the eyeliner we put in the lower waterline. Now for the eyeliner, guys, I am using one of my favorites again. This is the Sugar I Told You So eyeliner in the shade Black Swan, and I am just doing a precise wing eyeliner. This will give you a matte look. This is a very nice eyeliner, guys. You can just give it a shot. Now for the mascara, I am using the Maybelline Collosal Big Shot Mascara. And I am coating my upper lashes as well as lower lashes. This is not a voluminous mascara, guys. This will just lengthen your lashes. Now for highlighting the inner corners of my eyes, I am using the Odbo highlighter in the shade 02. This just opens up your eyes, guys. Now it's time to contour, and for the contouring I am using the Sugar Contour de Force Mini Bronzer in the shade 01 Top Topper, and I am putting it on the hollows of my cheeks, on my forehead and the other usual areas which I need to contour. This just gives you such a structured look. For the blush, I am using the Studiowest Purepassion blush in the shade Dusty Rose. This is said to be a dupe for NARS Orgasm, guys. This blush is really good. It's a pink blush with gold reflects in it, and it looks very nice on Indian skin tones. For highlighting my face again, I am using the Odbo highlighter. This is a very affordable highlighter, guys. You can just get it from any stores, local store. I got it from an Insta store. I'll be putting down links. I am just usually highlighting my nose, my cupid's bow. You can see what am I doing. Now for the lipstick, I am using NYKAA Matte to Last Liquid Matte Lipstick, and I am using the shade 03 GUWA-HOTTIE. This is a very nice shade, guys. This is a brick toned rusty shade which actually complements a lot of Indian skin tones. I really like this shade. You can see it is such a gorgeous shade, guys. Now to set my face, I am using the Wow Lavender and Rose Skin Mist, and I'm just spraying it all over my face. This will just melt everything and give you such a polished look. And you can see this is the finished look. That's it for today, guys. This is the finished look and I really like it. How do you feel about it? Please let me know. I really like this lip color. This is such a gorgeous bright lip shade, guys, which I think you can just rock the whole summer season wearing this lip shade. I really like it, guys. I really like how my eyes turned out. So if you just like more colorful looks like this, then please let me know. I would love to do all this for you. And if you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel, guys, if you haven't already. It means a lot to me and it's free. And press on the notification bell so that you can get updates about my videos. That's all, guys. I love you so much. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.